That's why I look like this.
I finally made it to the south rim, but it was so cold I couldn't even feel my hands.
It is way too cold to walk, along the side of the rim. It's not just that it's cold, it is super windy. Like you have to have a death grip on your phone or your camera because it's gonna fly off. That's how bad it is.
I wanted to film so much more, but honestly, I just wanted to enjoy being there.